Hello folks. Now before we get started, Richard Fontenay here. I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. Now this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So if you're interested, make sure you click that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to my review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you 4 exceptional bonuses. My first bonus will show you how to supercharge your money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. So I suggest you grab it and you will reach your online income goals quickly and very quickly, easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. When you get an order for a high value gig, you can buy the gig from someone else for a much lower price on Fiverr and then deliver that to your client. You then pocket the difference in the process. Hence, you become the middleman. Bonus number 3, you will learn how to create a passive income. And here's the crucial thing, folks. It's a recurring passive income. And you can do that with ease, which really means it comes to you on a regular basis. And bonus number 4 will show you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps while spending 15 minutes a day running the entire system. You receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is really turn on the traffic sources. Now, in a nutshell, AI Smart Reach is a ChatGPT-powered 3-in-1 multi-channel autoresponder. Now, that's a mouthful, so it's a ChatGPT-powered 3-in-1 multi-channel autoresponder for email, SMS, and WhatsApp, giving you 10 times your reach. So it goes way beyond what you're able to offer today. So it goes way beyond your reach, your traffic, and your sales. And you can upload unlimited contacts. You can send unlimited emails, messages, and WhatsApp texts without getting banned, being restricted, or manually writing anything. Now, the vendor for AI Smart Reach is Ram Rawat. Now, he's known as the mustached marketer. He is a well-known vendor and creator at Warrior Plus with dozens of products to his name. Now, I've purchased products from Ram and haven't been disappointed in the past. Now, there are 6 things you should know about AI Smart Reach. Now, if you are, for instance, only achieving 3 to 5% open rates with your emails, then how does 95% sound to you? Think about it. The platform is really affiliate friendly. It has an intelligent AI chatbot that writes high converting emails, texts, and messages in seconds. It's something that hasn't been seen before. And you can have tons of time or save tons of time by using an integrated dashboard. So what it does is bring together your emails and your texts and your messages in one place and not in several different places. And you will pay a one-time price during this launch, and you can be assured that is going to increase as time goes on. Now the front end is $17 to $20, and there are 6 OTOs. The first one is the Pro version for $37, and it provides you with an additional 20 done-for-you templates and a ChatGPT prompts and much more. OTO 2 is a ChatGPT edition for $37 and provides video training, proprietary templates, and more. OTO 3 is the Traffic edition for $37, and you can add background images, videos, voiceover, and custom branding, and much more. And OTO 4 provides an SEO edition for $37, and it shows you how to develop a keyword search, ranking, and lead generation system, and more. And OTO 5 is a done-for-you emails at $47, and it includes plug and play, done-for-you emails, and approve your open rates today, and it provides more information for you as well. And OTO 6 is a reseller edition for $127 to $147, and provides you with a reseller dashboard, a client support, and a one-time fee during this launch. And look for more under the OTO 6 as well. Now watch for the downsells. You'll save a bit of money, but you'll get less of the product. So if you need to know more, click the second link below and get the full story. Remember, what you're doing is really combining the power of ChatGPT, email, SMS, and WhatsApp in this product. And before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in the first link below, and my 4 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. You can buy services from Fiverr, and they'll show you how, and product the difference. It'll show you how to gain recurring income online easily, and it'll show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, thank you for listening, folks, and make sure that you click the link to learn more about this particular product. Bye for now. See you next time.